The wig is giving what it needs to give. Okay, you know, it's definitely giving, unlike stiff wear.
Stiff what? Stiff what?
For real, stiff what?
Oh, no way.
Stiff what?
You can't go wrong with this bob unit for $104.99, you guys. This wig is definitely a must-have, like a must-have, a need to have. Hey royals, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I installed this gorgeous unit that I got from SuperbWigs. It came in this cute little black box right here. This is their 14-inch 13x6 T-part highlighted bob unit, and this wig is called Teagan. And you guys, this wig is like giving everything. It's really soft. Straight out of the box, this wig was soft, like it was everything, and it still is everything. This hair came pre-plucked, it also came pre-bleached, so I did little to nothing to this unit. Like the peekaboo highlight in the front just made this wig even more better. It was actually 14 inches, but I went ahead to cut it into this cute little bob right here. I'm also going to be showing you how I actually cut it as well and styled my baby hairs, and on a whole finesse this unit. So if you are interested in that kind of content, well, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't as yet. Give this video a big thumbs up and to comment down in the comment section bar down below. So with no further ado, let's jump right into this install.
So the unit that I'm going to be installing and reviewing today is in collaboration with SuperbWigs hair company. They sent me over their Teagan highlighted bob unit in the length 14 inches. This unit came pre-plucked and pre-bleached, as you can see, so I didn't have to do much to this unit. Inside of the box, along with the wig, I received some goodies. I received this tan pair of stocking cap. I also received some hair ties and some elastic bands to install inside of the wig as well. So let's jump right into the cap construction of this. This hair is pre-bleached and pre-plucked. It has two combs on each side, one in the middle and one to the back, and it also came with elastic bands so you can adjust this wig to your particular liking. So this hair, straight out of the box, the knot was bleached to perfection. I went in a bit to pluck the parting space along with around the hairline area, but as you can see, this wig is bomb already. So let's jump right into the installation process of this T-part unit from SuperbWigs.
And as you guys can see, the lace is already pre-bleached, and I went ahead to pluck it.
So now I'm just going to be taking my black opal foundation in the shade Carob, and I'm just applying that foundation into the parting space of this unit, and then we're going to jump right into the installation process to show you guys how I cut this wig and finessed it to my liking. So I'm just going ahead to apply the unit to see how I'm going to cut it. So this unit is 14 inches, so this is the length on the unit. So I'm just going to begin to start to cut the hair into a cute little blunt bob. So I'm just taking my shears to cut the wig to the particular length that I had in mind. So I'm just going to work on finessing, cutting the wig to the particular length, and I'm just gonna go over that and continue to cut it until I have the specific length and everything is leveled. So I'm just going to work on that. So I'm just doing my finishing touches to make sure that the hair is leveled the way I want it to be. So I'm just going to continue to cut that until I have everything the way I want it. And after I have the hair to the particular length that I was going for, it's time for the installation process. So I went ahead to cut off the lace around my ear tabs area. So I'm just going to be cutting down the lace into 3 smaller sections. And today I'm going to be using my bolt hold active glue. As you guys know, this is my holy grail. I always use this glue because it gives me the hold that I want. So today I'm going to be using 2 layers of this glue, and after I finish applying the first layer of the glue, I'm going to just blend that out with the end of my razor comb, and then I'm going in with my blow dryer just to blow dry that a bit. So after the glue is tacky, I'm just going to pull the lace onto the glue, and I'm taking my rat tail comb just to further push the hair into the glue. So after I finish pushing the lace into the glue using my rat tail comb, after I finish doing that, I'm going in with my blow dryer just to blow dry that a bit. And to the front portion, if any of the areas didn't get any glue, I'm just going back over that with a bit of the glue using the end of my rat tail comb, and I'm just going to finish blow drying together so everything can be melted. So now I'm just gonna go in with my razor comb to cut off the extra lace to the front portion. So I'm just going to work on that until all the lace is cut off, and then I'm going over that with my Got To Be Blast Free Spray just to set everything together. And then I'm going over that with my blow dryer. So after I finish blow drying my hair, I'm going in with a bit of rubbing alcohol to clean off any sort of excess glue to the front portion. And I'm just gonna go in to straighten my parting space a little bit more. As you guys know, this hair came pre-plucked, so I really didn't have to do much to the lace on this wig, and it melted perfectly, you guys. So after I finish perfecting my parting space area, I'm going to be taking my black opal foundation in the shade Carob just to blend into the lace so that it can match my skin complexion, and then I'm going over that with my Got To Be Blast Free Spray. So after I finish doing that, I'm going to blow dry that a bit, and I'm going to be using my elastic band just to tie down that a bit for like 30 minutes so that the hair could be melted. So while the lace is being melted, I'm going to work on the parting space of this T-part unit, just making sure that everything is straight, and then I'm going over that with my wax stick and then with my thermal hot comb to make sure that the top portion is sleek and on flat. So now I'm going in with my ISO hairspray, and then I'm going to start to finesse my baby hairs. So today I'm just going to be doing a minimalistic amount of baby hair look today. So I'm just going to work on parting out the section to the front. So I'm going back over that with my black opal foundation just to blend everything together so that the lace could look like scalp. So I'm just going to perfect everything to my liking. So now I'm going in with my razor comb just to cut down the hair a bit. And the glue that I'm going to be using today is my holy grail, my Gorilla Snot gel to lay my baby hairs. I went in also to mix my Gorilla Snot gel with my Got To Be glued in the black bottle as well. So after I finish finessing the top portion, I'm going to set that with my Got To Be Blast Free Spray and then go over that with my blow dryer, and then I'm just going to continue to finesse my baby hairs, you guys. So after I finish with my baby hairs and I have them the way that I want to, I'm going back in with my black opal foundation just to put it into the parting area of this wig to finesse the parting space a little bit more so it can be precise. So after I finish doing that, I'm going to just work on flat ironing this hair. But I'm going over that with some blast free spray just to set it a bit before I go in with my hairspray so I can start the process of straightening this hair out a bit. And you guys, this wig was giving body straight out of the box. Like I really didn't have to flat iron this hair much because it was just giving like stiff wear. So I'm just making sure that my hair is how I want it, and then I'm going back in with a little bit more of my Iso Plus hairspray just to tie the look together, and then I'm going over that to set the front portion with my Got To Be Blast Free spray. And you guys, this is the end result of my install and I'm loving it.
So you guys, this concludes the end result of my install. I'm definitely feeling this bob unit. Again, this unit was sent to me by this company called SuperbWigs, and this is their Teagan highlighted bob 13 by 6 T-part lace frontal wig, and I got it in the length 14 inches, and this hair came pre-plucked and pre-bleached, you guys. So I didn't do anything to this unit, I just installed it straight out of the box. And this wig retails for $104.99, and you guys, this wig is everything and it's gonna be worth your coins. Like, this wig is like giving. You can't go wrong with this bob unit for $104.99, you guys. Like, if you don't want to wear like a full lace frontal, I think these wigs are convenient to have because you already have the parting space to the middle and you have lace from ear to ear. You can finesse it to your liking. I did some baby hairs on this unit. I pre-plucked the parting space a little bit more. You know, it's definitely giving and like stiff wear. This wig is super cute, like, I'm not gonna lie. This, I'm definitely feeling how I actually cut the hair. You guys, the wig is giving what it needs to give, okay? And for $104.99, it's definitely worth the money. Straight out of the box, the hair was really soft. All I did was I went in, cut it, and I went over it with my flat iron and my spray, and that was basically all I did, you guys. This wig is definitely a must-have, like a must-have. This wig is a must-have bob wig. You need it in your life. Like, go ahead, purchase this unit. I'll leave all the information for this wig in my description bar down below, as well as my coupon code, which is Rihanna, to save you some money off of this wig. So until next time, see you in my next video, and always remember to put God first in everything that you do.